Now, the second program what we're going to do is the Triphala Churna. It's very, very commonest. Actually, I wanted to, we thought we can do it in the second year, all those things. But I was thinking maybe all of us together, we start little Ayurvedic preparations to get you trained with the Ayurvedic pharmacy simultaneously with the nutrition, simultaneously in the first year course itself. That's our plan, just to begin to make you to understand what are the herbs and what are the ingredients essential for all our pharma. But of course, the main pharmacy will come in the second year. Today we talk about Triphala Churna. Triphala. Three means three, of course, three it is in Sanskrit or English. Phala means fruits. The three fruits is a magic fruits. I always call them magic fruits there because it's a very, very famous and very, very commonly seen in the all Ayurvedic practitioners. Usually what we think Triphala is useful for the constipation. It is not true. Of course, it acts as a mild laxative, but it is not always true that it is useful for only the constipation. Now we are going to see what are the three fruits and how they appear in nature. Right, here we are. You can see the three fruits. Amla, of course, all of you should be very familiar with this, and of course we are going to talk in the second year. We have two portions of pharmacology in second year, part 1 and part 2. In part 1 we are going to talk about the basics explanations of the pharmacology of Ayurveda, Dravyaguna, part 1. And say in part 2, Dravyaguna part 2, we are going to talk about the each single herbs. It's called Ekamulikas. Ekamulika means single herbs. This we are going to talk about the second year in detail, but it's a small introduction we have started now, and more we'll be talking about this more and more preparations. Now this is Amla and this Embryca officinalis. All of you know it. It's just Amla, dry fruit. It's mostly some people must have seen already Amla. This is Haritaki, Terminalia chebula. It's a Haritaki. It's local. It's available in most countries. It is available, and I just buy in London 2 days back. And this is Vibhitaki and Terminalia bellarica. Three fruits. All are very healthy, and these three fruits together is known as Triphala. It's very simple preparation. Just take equal proportion of all the fruits and just grind them. Let us see it later. Yeah. Here we are. Of course, I made a little bit. We put it and we grinded it, and we with the kalwa we put a little bit, and with the grinder we'll just filter it a little bit. I always better, because to avoid to get the fine powders. It's for intake. It's good. A little bit filter you make. It's a traditional way, but of course there you can make. You have a good filter machines or something also you can make along with that. Just to remove any hard particles to that it don't stuck in your throat later on. Just a little bit. Keep doing. Just remove the Triphala. You can see the fine powder here. You can see the fine powder. Very nice. So Triphala Churna is ready with us. And just add with a little bit honey. Add with a little bit honey. 1 to 3 grams you can take it. Triphala Churna. It's extremely good. And it's a Triphala Churna. It's basically we give for many indications are there for the Triphala. One of the commonest indications is for the laxative, mild laxative they use. Of course, Triphala is extremely good for all intestinal disorders, right from IBS to constipations to, of course, we should not give when there is an severe ulcerations in the intestines and severe bleeding in the intestines. I try to avoid as much as possible. And of course, smaller quantities some people advise, but I usually don't. And Triphala Churna is also extremely good, effective for with other herbs, with other with a lot of other pharmacological preparations where Triphala is used as one of the ingredient. And the plain Triphala is really effective for agni levels, and also very good for liver metabolism. Also it's been used with other herbs, also for intestinal disorders. And basically all the kapha and vata, tridoshahara actually, it's a triphala, tridoshahara, and it can be used with the ghee or honey. And Triphala Churna with ghee and honey, also very good for visual purpose. It's of course different parts. You cannot take ghee and honey equal quantities, but different quantities can be taken along with the Triphala. It's extremely good for the vision, and also Triphala is used for the external applications. Triphala is taken as internal applications. So there are so many indications are available. Of course, we are going to teach the same lesson in the second year during pharmacology classes. But of course, these are the simple things you can make at home, and for simple laxative purpose, you can start using this. Later on, we will tell you the major indications in the diseases. Thank you very much.